If you're searching for the best automotive franchise opportunity, the biggest mistake you can make is choosing a brand before you understand the business model behind it. The automotive category is enormous. It covers repair shops, quick lube businesses, tire stores, car washes, collision centers, and vehicle restyling businesses. They all serve drivers, but they operate very differently. Some depend on high transaction volume. Some require expensive equipment and large facilities. Others need highly specialized technicians. And some are built around premium services, leaner teams, and multiple ways to serve the same customer. So before you compare logos and franchise fees, compare 5 things: demand, complexity, staffing, revenue mix, and support. Start with demand. Repair and maintenance businesses benefit from need-based traffic. Drivers eventually need brakes, tires, and mechanical work. That demand can be dependable, but it also brings intense competition and high customer expectations. Car washes can produce repeat revenue through memberships, but site selection and construction costs can be significant. Collision businesses can generate large tickets. The trade-off is complexity. Insurance relationships, long cycle times, and specialized labor all make the operation harder to run. Appearance and restyling businesses occupy a different part of the market. Services like window tint, paint protection film, and ceramic coatings are highly visual. Customers can immediately see the result, which makes reviews, photographs, and referrals especially powerful. Next, look at operational complexity. Ask how much equipment the business needs, how large the facility has to be, and how difficult the employees are to recruit. A business can have strong demand and still be a poor fit if its daily operation is more complicated than you want to manage. Then examine the revenue mix. A single service concept depends heavily on one kind of transaction. A multi-service model can create several opportunities from one customer relationship. At Black Optix Tint, the model includes automotive window tinting, residential and commercial window film, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and color change wraps. A customer may first visit for tint and later return for paint protection, a coating, or a wrap. The business isn't relying on one product or one type of buyer. Staffing matters too. Traditional repair concepts may need experienced diagnostic technicians. Collision work requires specialized skills. High-volume concepts may require larger teams and strict process control. An automotive appearance business still depends on training and quality, but it can operate with a more focused team and a more contained workflow. Finally, look at what the franchise provides after opening day. A franchise should be more than a name on a sign. It should give you a repeatable operating system, technical and business training, vendor relationships, marketing resources, and people you can call when a problem comes up. Ask direct questions. What does training include? How is quality maintained? What support continues after launch? How is the territory defined? What marketing is provided, and what does the owner handle locally? What do existing franchisees say about the day-to-day experience? And always review the franchise disclosure document. Look at the complete investment, ongoing fees, territory terms, and any financial performance information the franchisor is permitted to provide. Don't make a decision based on a headline number or a best-case story. The best automotive franchise isn't automatically the biggest brand or the cheapest option. What matters is whether the model matches your capital, management style, market, and long-term goals. If you want a premium automotive business with multiple revenue streams, visual marketing potential, and support designed for both first-time and experienced owners, Black Optix Tint deserves a closer look. Visit blackoptixtintfranchise.com to review the opportunity, explore available territories, and decide whether the model fits the business you want to build.